So whatever you do, just be your soul. When you walk out the door, you be your soul. If they slaying up in corporate, you get slammed. Don't you force it, I'ma leave it to you to be your soul. So whatever.
Seen in that prior clip, I went ahead and I decided to throw some highlights into this wig. Shout out to one of my boos because she gave me the idea. She was like, girl, I want to see how that hair would look with some highlights or like some type of auburn or blonde infused into it. So boo, you asked and you shall receive. I am a little bit late though, I ain't gonna lie. So my apologies to you and to supernova.com. I'm sorry. I enjoyed my birthday and the holidays. Anywho, I think this hair lifted perfectly. I left the dye on it for I left the bleach on it for maybe 20 minutes, I'll say. And it was my first time bleaching some hair, so I think I did really good. I didn't want to go overboard with it. I don't know. Okay, there you go. Now you can see how it's looking. And I've washed this hair several times, like co-washed it, but this time I actually washed it with shampoo and stuff. Of course, I didn't hardly get any shedding. Let me repeat that. I didn't really get any shedding and no tangling. This is some good quality curly hair. If you are a beginner to human hair, virgin hair, and you want to try something that's low maintenance, I definitely suggest this wig because you don't really have to put any product in it like that or anything, and it just looks bomb. Everybody loved this wig when I first, well, it's bundled hair and I made it into a wig if this is your first time watching. But yeah, everybody loved this hair and I got so many compliments on it, and my mini-me is planning to steal this from me. Yes. So get a good look at it because the next time you see it, she'll probably be rocking it. We're gonna apply this wig and I'm gonna give you guys, you know, a little bit of cameo of my overall opinion about supernova.com. Once again, I will link all, I don't know if I said that, but I'm telling you guys right now, I'll link all their information down below in the description box and a direct link to my initial review. And in that review, I wore the hair maybe at least 3 to 4 days and it was holding up well, and I'm going to finish everything else after I put the wig on. Okay. The purpose of this video is to give you guys a update on this wig, or this hair should I say, and just to show you guys that if you do purchase this hair, it does take color, proving that this is some 100% human virgin hair and it's bomb. Like, if you love that bomb kinky curly hair look, you will love this hair. And the color really complements this hair as well as my skin tone very well. I feel like I did just enough. I didn't do the most, and it's just giving you and myself life. And I'll link down below all the details on this hair, because y'all know I get so much hair, sometimes I forget all the, you know, important details like the length and everything if you guys wanted to purchase the exact style that I'm rocking. But I do have a closure in, and I believe my closure is a 14-inch closure, and I feel like I have in 2.5 bundles of 16 inches. But I wanted to show you guys on our stock card something of how the hair looks, how it would look if you was to order it. This is the presentation that you would get. I love this hair. It didn't give me any problems. The most that the most product that I use on this hair is water, of course, and I don't know if you really count that as a product, but water is your best friend with this hair. You can refresh your curls easily with water, and you don't even have to put too much product in it. But I do recommend having like a nice conditioner. I use Shea Moisture, Tresemme, and Herbal Essence, I believe, is the conditioners that I usually put in this hair. And I've been using the Lotta Body with coconut foaming wrap in this hair, and that's what you guys see me use earlier. And it doesn't weigh the hair down at all. I mean, I slept in this hair for days and days, and it didn't even tangle up like in the nape like most curly hair does. I'm vouching for Supernova.com. I'm just saying, I love their curly hair, and hopefully I get to try more of their textures, because this hair has me feeling like they have amazing quality hair. So if you guys are interested in checking out my initial review to see how it looked before I dyed it, I'll leave all those links down below. I want to thank you guys, like I always do, for rocking with me, because I know I'll be all over the place sometimes, and like I be needing to get my life together, and trust and believe she's been getting her life together, but still I'm so extra, and I love that you guys love me for that. So thank you guys, and thank you Supernova.com for sending me this hair. I've been loving it. I know I'll rock this hair at least like a month on and off. Like I rocked it for like a week straight, then another week straight, and then like some days here and here. Like I've been rocking with this hair. So this is how your hair will be looking around about a month in, as well as with bleach. It took that bleach like a soldier. This some good hair. When it didn't dry it out or anything. This hair took that bleach like a straight up soldier. So 2 thumbs up all day. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I'm up out of here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.